Everyone, welcome back to our part 2 of the Agent Trust EIP-8004 smart contract. And in the previous part, we built this Agent Trust smart contracts where we implemented EIP-8004. We have we had some errors and warnings, so I fixed this. There was some curly braces we missed, and that's why now you can see our contract is compiled successfully and without warnings and any errors. So in this second part, we are going to test. I will show you how to test your smart contract, and we will test all the functionalities, every single functionality. And we will try to up our coverage like almost 17-18 percent. So let's get started with testing. For testing, let's create a new file. Agent trust, agent trust dot t dot sol, and you know the drill. Pragma Solidity 0.8.33 and the license identifier MIT, and we are going to import test from for standard library. Import test from for standard library test.sol, and we also need to import our smart contract for testing. So import agent trust from dash slash src slash agent trust.sol. There we go. Now let's declare a contract agent trust test is test, and let's go. And we need some couple of variables to declare, right? But before declaring the variable, let's declare our function setup. Function setup, and let's make it public. Your test functions always should be in public. And now let's declare some variables. So let's first take this and agent trust public, and let's make it agent trust. Now address of the owner, address public owner. Let's go down, and we will add 3 users and agent owner address. So let's copy this 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and let's say here user 1, and copy this user 2, user 3, and agent owner. Agent owner, there we go. Now we have variables. We need to some couple of string for constant variables also, like agent name, agent symbol, and metadata URI for metadata URI. So let's declare that too. String public constant, and let's name it agent name, and let's name it like agent trust protocol. Agent trust protocol. Same again, another string public constant, not constructor, it's constant, and agent symbol, and let's add like a trust. This is the symbol, and metadata URI, like we are taking like example kind of string. So let's take it string public constant and meta data URI is equal to, let's say, https example slash example.com slash agent slash 1. That's it. Now let's initialize all of this in our setup function. So let's initialize owner first. Owner is equal to let's say address of this, address this uh, what is this? This is now let's user1 is equal to, we are going to use make addr, and inside that we are going to pass user1, and let's go with user2, same, make addr. This is the foundry inbuilt. Inside that let's pass user2, and user3 is equal to the same user3, and agent owner is equal to make addr, and let's pass agent owner inside the string. There we go. Now agent trust, let's deploy agent trust is equal to new agent trust, and inside that let's pass this agent name. Why we are passing this? Because we have constructor in our ERC-721 smart contract. So I hope you got it why I am passing this here. Now let's start testing our agent registration test. So let's first test if we can register agent or not. So for that, let's create a function test register agent, and let's make it public. By the way, your all test should be test function, all test functions visibility should be in public all the time. Okay, now let's take a variable here as an agent id, win256 agent id, and let's initialize it as equal to agent trust dot register agent. We have function here, let's register agent, and 2 we are going to pass agent owner and metadata URI. So copy the metadata URI from here and paste. Why we are passing? So if you go here and if you see register agent, it is the taking 2 address and metadata URI, right? So yeah, let's go below and let's assert equal, and on the left side we are going to pass agent id, and the right side we are going to pass 0. That's it. Let's again assert equal, and the left side agent trust dot owner of, and inside that agent id, and on the right hand side we are going to pass agent owner. There we go. again assert equal same agent trust dot token URI, and inside that pass the agent ID, and on the right hand side we are going to pass metadata URI, not here, in the metadata URI. There we go. Again we need to pass assert equal agent trust dot get total agents, and on the right hand side we are going to pass one only. There we go. Let's run forge test. So you can see our first test is passed, which basically means we are going on the right path. We can register the agent. Now let's test if register agent emits event or not. So let's go ahead and I will introduce you here some of the Foundry more cheat codes. So you will get to know like VM dot like we are going to uh, use a lot of cheat codes, Foundry cheat codes. So you can like extensively test your smart contracts. So let's test if our events emits or not. So for that let's run function. Let's write function test register agent emits event, and let's make it public, and here we are going to use vm dot expect emit, which will take four parameters: true, true, false, true. We are going to pass here true, true, false, and true. Now let's go ahead and emit an event here. Emit agent registered, agent registered, STERED, and we are going to pass here 0 and owner and metadata URI. Right now we need to declare this event, but we will declare this now. Agent trust dot register agent, and inside that we need to pass agent owner and metadata URI, not max ratings, metadata URI. There we go. Now let's declare this event here, agent registered. So below this event agent registered, and let's pass UNT 256 agent ID and the creator address of the creator and string metadata URI. There we go. That's it. Now let's go down and let's write more test. So let's write test for if test register agent stores creator or not. So for that let's write a function test register agent. Let's copy this from here and paste here. Register agent stores creator. Let's make it public, public, and let's down take a variable event 256 agent id. Agent id is equal to, let's initialize agent trust dot register event, register agent, not register event, agent, and inside that let's pass agent owner and metadata URI. Okay, that's it. Now let's share address of the owner address. Owner, let's make it ADDR, and address of the creator, and we need to also URI, so which is in string format, memory URI, and is equal to agent trust dot get agent details, and inside that we are going to pass agent id, right? Now assert equal, and on the left hand side we are going to pass this owner address ADDR OWR. We are going to pass owner address, and on the right hand side we are going to pass agent owner, right? There we go. Now let's go down again. We need to pass assert. Let's assert equal, and on the left hand side let's pass this creator, and on the right hand side we are going to pass owner, and let's again assert equal, and URI this time, and on the right hand side metadata URI. There we go. So you can see, now run the forge test. So far we written 3 tests, and our test is failed. One test is failed. I think we made some mistakes here. Where did we fail? Expected log, agent register is not expected log. We will figure this out later, but yeah, or maybe this is the assignment for you, like why this is failed. We will write more tests here, and we'll figure out this later. You can run forge test dash vvvv, and you will see all the traces here, foundry traces, and you will figure this out. We will continually write more tests, and I will show you in upcoming part how you can write the test, and we will deploy these contracts on chain. So far you got to know how you can write tests. I will show you in the next part how you can up your coverage, and so on. So with that I am closing this part, and I will see you in the next one, where we are going to deploy our smart contracts on chain.